What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just got a new upgrade for my car. I've been wanting this for a very long time and today I finally got it. So if you guys want to see what it is, stay tuned.
Supra.
So here it is. Y'all ready for this? Dang. Dang, brand new. Check it out, guys. Looks so crisp. So that's right, I got the S2 headlights for the car, 97, 98 Toyota Supra headlights. So this is actually gonna bring out the exterior of the car a lot better than what it is now. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the S1 headlights. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys aren't as well. So I finally got the upgrades and I can't wait to put it on. So if you guys wanna know how to put on these headlights, let me show you how you do it. Let's go. So here's the headlights. As you can see, they're not as pretty, but they're okay. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. So taking out the headlight is pretty much easy. There's only 3 bolts holding it in total. There's this bolt right here that I removed. And then there's these 2 nuts behind here.
These nuts? Got him!
And then once you get that out, you just gotta undo these clips and you'll be able to pull out the headlights. You can actually reach back here without having to remove your battery. It's gonna be a tight squeeze right here, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to manage to get your fingers between the battery and the headlights to pull out the plugs in the back. But besides that, you don't really need to remove that, so I can just go ahead and take that off and it should be good. Alright, what you guys think about the headlights? It looks pretty sick, right? So I think it looks so much cleaner. So the last part you gotta do is pretty much just swap all your bulbs from your S1 headlights to your S2, and it's pretty much just bolt on right there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We're gonna be doing more content for the Supra, so make sure you check it out. Until then, peace.